YouTube TV versus Hulu TV comparison. In the quest to replace traditional cable TV, YouTube TV and Hulu TV stand out as prominent contenders. However, with recent price adjustments, the decision between the two has become even more intricate. Both services offer a robust selection of channels, but recent channel losses may influence your choice. So, to give you a brief countdown, the starting price for YouTube TV is $73 and Hulu TV is $70. And obviously, the channels in YouTube TV are more than 100 plus, but on Hulu, you have a few shows, but not as much as you have on YouTube. Both offer unlimited DVR storage, both have offer on demand content, both support various devices, including smart TVs, streaming devices, and mobile services, but only YouTube has this many TV shows in it. Then the channel assortments of YouTube TV and Hulu TV are largely similar, with YouTube boasting more channels over 100 compared to Hulu's claim of 85 top channels. However, each service has its own omissions and unique offerings. So, quite big notable differences that, a lot of people should keep in mind before starting off with YouTube or Hulu. But in general, most people will use Hulu TV if they just want to go ahead and watch a season or a TV show or maybe a movie that they desire or they like. But if someone just wants to go ahead and watch some live streaming channel, or if they want to watch a sports channel, Fox, NBC, ESPN, CNN, any of these things, and they want to record something, YouTube would be a good option because recording on YouTube is relatively much easier as well. So yeah, that was YouTube TV versus Hulu TV. Now, if you found this helpful, let me know down in the comments below, and that'll be all from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.